includes the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Kent, and the following counties in Arkansas: Columbia, Hempstead, Howard, Lafayette, Little River, Miller, Everett, Pike and Sevier, and McCurtain, Oklahoma. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 137 has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Kent, and the following counties in Arkansas: Columbia,